many fish, we'll set us some sort of a record. Yeah. Gotcha. Zip, whip, zap, zap.
Shh. I'm trying to relax.
Yeah, so are we. Yourself. That's right, Linus. We're going fishing. And fishing's the most relaxing thing a bloke can do.
I have heard that fishing is relaxatrating, and yet I have never tried it.
Oh, come on, get yourself a pole. How about the slim, right here? That's good. Hold it, Linus, while I get out me pocket knife, or as we call it, me pouch knife, and I'll cut it loose. Hey, now all the worms are gone.
Well, that's my fault. I will dig you some more.
What you doing, Linus?
I am going fishing for relaxation, but first I have to dig for worms.
Any luck?
Not yet.
Good.
Terrific. You're heading straight for the river, Linus. He can't see us because his head's inside. So we're riding along free, just as nice as you please, without doing nothing.
You two get off of there, or else.
Oh, big mouth. Well, it's not as big as yours.
Strange. I don't remember a hill on the way to the river, but now that I am at the top, it will be easier going down. Where am I?
At the edge of the river. Take 2 more steps and you'll be in the water.
Good. Thank you, Crocodile.
And throw out your anchor so you don't get swept over the falls. Crocodile, what is that?
Hello. There's Linus. What happened to you? Let's get started. We're wasting the whole day.
Well, I'm only fishing for relaxation anyway.
Relaxation. Hold it a minute, will you, Linus, while I fix Billy's hook for him. Hey, there's that one. And a flying fish to boot. Biggest one I ever saw. Don't worry, Linus, I'll catch you with me net. Quit pulling our king all over the sky, you jerk. There, now beat it.
For my money, fishing for relaxation is not relaxatrating.
Or is money fixing for relaxation isn't relaxating? Because you're going about it all wrong. You know why you don't know how to relax? You don't even know how to pronounce it. That's right, you probably scared all the fish away besides. Hell, hey, Linus, I'm caught in the line. Come on, do something, Governor. Act like a king.
I am doing something. I am fishing for relaxation for the first time today.